Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Grindr subscription error. So to fix a Grindr subscription error, you can start through your in-app settings. First, open your Grindr app and then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now under account section, you will find restore purchase. Just tap on it. And if this doesn't help, you can simply make sure that you're logged into the correct Apple App Store or Google Play Store account. Now the next what you can do is update your app. You can just simply go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store and then search for Grindr, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is, if the issue is with payment, just remove and re-add your card in your App Store account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.